Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make makhlouta. It's Lebanese chili. It has so many beans in it. It's very good for the winter when it's snowing and cold. My mom, she used to do it, and the whole village, they used to do this dish when it's snowing. So every house you visit, they have makhlouta that day. So it has lima beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, this is garbanzo beans, lentil. This is another kind of white beans. And so I'm gonna put everything in the description for you, but this has to be soaked a night before. So I'm gonna soak them today and we'll make them tomorrow. See you tomorrow. You soak them overnight and you cook them more than halfway. It's almost done, this one, because if I want to keep it, it's gonna take long time for you to cook it. And we need for this dish the beans, onion. I already saute some onion, burghul, cumin. The cumin, you get it seeds and boil it and grind it. It's better. It will keep the taste very, very good and strong. We need butter. We need black pepper, salt, and 7 spices. So this dish, you can make it with meat or without meat. I start the meat. You cook it like that. I'm gonna put the spices with it. I'm gonna put salt, pepper, and 7 spices. And I'm gonna put some cumin. The main spice in this dish is cumin. You saute them very good. Usually they used to do it with the shawarma, with the dihin. They used to get the lamb fat and cook it with meat and save it for the whole winter because they don't have meat every day over there. So they used to store it like that. The meat, I just put some oil and some butter, saute the meat, and then put the spices. And this, we are going to add it on top of the beans now. They are done. Now I have some water boiled. I'm gonna add the beans. After I boil the beans, I throw the water because you don't need too much like gas and too much ghazat in your food. So I put it like that. You put the meat. And then I'm gonna add the onion. I put 4 onion, I saute them like that. This dish like cumin and onion. And now you just let them boil. So don't forget to add the burghul and add it, cover it, and let it simmer. This is the whole dish. You see how easy? When you have your beans are soaked and cooked, that's it. So I'm gonna wait for it until it get cooked and I'll come back. So make sure to put enough water to cover the beans because it has to be like little liquidy, not too much liquidy, little liquidy, like a stew, exactly like chili. You can add toasted bread on top. So our dish is finished. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.